guys, so today I'm still in Sheffield and we're in this what looks to be this abandoned accountant's place. To be honest, I don't expect much from this. In fact, I don't even think this is going to go on YouTube, so I don't even know why I'm talking to the camera, because from what I've heard it's just abandoned accountants. And accountants are the boring, you know, they're boring at times anyway, so abandoned, I can't see it being much more exciting, but we're going to check it anyway. So yeah, as you can see here on the floor, we have lots of paperwork, we have lots of wires, and we have a yellow Hoover. And there you go. So yeah, let's take a look around here. We got my boy Carl from Dark Arts Paranormal.
I'm not doing anything dodgy, by the way.
What are you doing, Carl? Can't do that on camera.
Wiping my lens, you know.
I've decided not to use the gimbal because it's charging in the car, but yeah, I'll probably know what you think about the gimbal because last episode. But anyway, Bucky's in there doing his intro because he doesn't like doing it in front of us.
No, I was doing my intro.
There we go.
All you leave is you over the top of mine, not me over the top of yours. Plus, I've just done all my intro, not put the microphone on. I'm going to do it again.
Okay, sorry, Bucky. Right, as you can see, anyway, this place is destroyed. We've literally walked in through the front door. The front door is open. Do you know what I mean? That's what kind of place it's been. So it's going to be destroyed. Carl's heading upstairs. I reckon we do the ground floor first.
Yeah, so you get this fucking...
Oh, you're getting that? Oh, the graffiti. Sheffield's famous for graffiti.
What can we go on?
It's got quite a bit of stuff left in it. He said there's supposed to be computers and stuff left here. There's a lot of paperwork still left here, but it looks like someone's been in just rooted for everything. They smashed all windows and made a mess of that. All windows are smashed. All the way from wallpaper here, obviously no one's been here for a long time. But we'll have a look, see what we can find, see what's in here. So let's go, you enjoy it. Nice one.
Here we go.
Bolts with pure shit.
There you go. It's like prints, individual ones, and there's tons of them.
Yeah, every single one's got a different.
Yeah, they'll be for clients.
labeling.
They'll be for all the
What
clients.
does it look like? I need one that's all that. That's open there. If you go.
It won't happen to me. It did, because it shut down. It did happen.
No.
Accountants. To be honest, I reckon we just make this a quick one. Let's just venture around and get it done, boys. Let's head home for tea. Bank holiday Monday, we should be having Sunday dinners and stuff, not in an abandoned accountant's.
Alright. Guess the same though, don't it? Like, when you come checking the places like this, it's just room after room full. I mean, you might find some decent stuff, but it's pretty rare when it's like
you
shit.
never find
like this.
decent stuff in these kind of places.
No.
Unfortunately. Bucky's rooting. Right, we're gonna finish off. Let's just get this place explored fast and head home. We've got an hour and a half, 2 hours journey back, so let's get it done. Bathrooms, you don't really want to see them. Apart from if you Bucky. Apart from Bucky, if you like looking at bathrooms, you head over to Bucky's channel, Exploring with Bucky.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's the same old stuff in every room. Papers and
Shit.
phones with no heads on.
What's that? Oh, does it smell good? Oh, it doesn't smell too bad actually, that.
I don't know.
What's his name? Carl was telling us someone, that lad that writes on up, he's writing on up walls.
Oh, that's just some ginger-haired lad from Sheffield who's an arsehole.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's just that one lad that's going around graffiti and everything.
Apparently he's a 15-year-old ginger kid that likes to go around and he's been writing on walls and stuff. and he flashes himself at the top windows. What I've heard, anyway.
Shit.
Apparently there's a basement, so I'm looking forward to that.
There's not much here really, it's all dead working each room, isn't it?
Absolute weird place.
Yo!
What?
Shit.
What the f***? Hey, there's a computer on.
Computer's turned off. That means there's electric then. That means there's going to be electric. Oh yeah.
We've got power in this place.
Power, and I'm sure this place, I'm not sure how long it's been shut for.
No, right, no, listen, this is weird, right? Because, you know, it looks like someone's just been sat there.
Having a cup of tea.
Right, turn the light back off. Not leaving, I'm not turning the powers on. Especially when people are saying it's theft, I'm not doing that. But what the hell? I'm going to get some photos. This is creepy as hell. How do you start this up? F1. Oh, keyboard's not connected. What the hell? I'm a cinematic of that. What the hell? That is weird. So there's no one else in this building?
Mate. It's going to be paranoid actually. Let's check the building out, seriously.
Yeah.
Wait,
so, yeah, this Explore went from being boring as hell to probably not going on YouTube to being quite exciting actually. There's power. It's going on YouTube. Congratulations, you're seeing this. Computer on, that's weird as hell. Just a random computer, turn on like someone sat here like having a cup of tea. You know, they've still got work stuff on the side. That's weird. I'll turn this power off because we don't want to be done for using power. This has been done by some ginger kid from Sheffield who likes to think he's an urbexer. I don't even know what it is. I think it's called.
Is this the guy's work you just talked about?
Yeah, it's called. What's it called? Amateur urbex. I think he's called.
Really?
Yeah.
And he's going around doing all this.
Yeah, amateur urbex from Sheffield.
It's weird, isn't it?
Whoa, this is on as well. Thermostats.
Only 2 bulbs working. I think I saw some replacement. Oh no, there's a lot.
Oh, more bulbs coming
I
out.
seen some replacement ones at entrance. Might have to fit one entrance. Can't believe it's a place that's like just trash like it.
Bucky's in amazement.
Yeah, because you don't get it, do you? How many places have you been to that's electric? I think 1 in it.
No, I've been to a few.
1 or 2.
No,
The hotel in Cornwall.
Yeah, it's not amazing already.
Yeah, let's go in the basement.
Yeah, let's see the basement.
Yeah, but I don't think you can get in. No, I won't go through that way.
Dangerous, that floor.
Is it?
Looked at right.
Oh yeah, you can get onto the back step, can't you?
Yes, but look at the table at the other side. That's collapsed through.
Shit. It's a risk.
Ah, look at
You need
this.
to see where the
Go
beams
first.
are. You need to follow the beams. Right, we're getting this on camera, Carl, just in case you fall through, mate. Sorry,
Shit.
we're going to have this on camera. Just in case. Carl's risking it. You can hear it squeaking under his
Yeah,
feet.
right. Also, it's down to this.
And he's going to get across there to get to the basement, and all it's going to be is a cupboard.
Let us know what's in
Is
it.
it really?
Don't know, you'll have to go through
You
and
really
check.
don't know. You
No,
have
it's
to-
quite big.
It's a big storeroom, it is.
Watch it be, I think you're not covered. Mate, come on man, it's an actual door as well.
Is it, what, is it a cupboard or is it a basement?
Yeah, it's pretty much a covered, mate.
You just risk falling through the floor just to look at that.
Yeah.
It's not going to fall for,
You gotta
is
go
it?
out. You're not gonna fall far.
Well, look, you can see the bottom of it over there.
But
Well,
can you see
it's
the floor?
Bob,
Yeah.
predicted what was going to be in there. Yeah.
How do you think I've got a basement then?
Oh,
It
huh?
must be on this side then. There is a door out here that goes to the basement. So this is the back door open.
What?
Goes round. Basement door's down there. Down there, the basement door.
Is it?
Hey, hold on, let's have a look if you want.
There must be another way inside.
Mate.
The basement's underneath us now. It's where the boiler and everything's going to be.
This is really weird. Oh, what's Bucky doing? His favourite pastime. Oh, he's hoovering up, come on.
place up, the next person.
It's a police turn. You can just say you're coming to clean the place.
Code, yeah.
When we come to film you.
Now Cole's cleaning up.
You know, we're all
Bit
down
daft,
here.
innit?
We're down here raving about lights and stuff, and we've not checked upstairs. Could be people living up there. Come on.
Oh, it's because I changed me on.
Right, so we're going upstairs.
Yeah, we should go check it out first. First, then it's in
Are you sure that's that making that noise?
Yeah, it is. The light's flickering.
Shh. Alright, are you sure?
Mate, it's just,
Yeah.
it's just
okay.
adding to the suspense.
That's weird. Right, I thought I could hear knocking from upstairs. I'm on top now. Hey, if someone's not living up here, I'm very surprised.
Call Paranormal. Go to his channel, check him out.
There's a karaoke bar across the road, probably watching what we're doing.
Yeah, it's not being what's it called? What do you call it? Sneaking round.
Inconspicuous.
So I stood there like that, isn't it?
We've got a nice party music going on.
Wow, I see more in here. This is where it's come through to that bottom floor, isn't it?
Yeah. Something here making a noise in this.
Oh my god. Just walking around the room.
There's something making a noise from here.
Yeah, it's this one, isn't it? Oh no, the other one. That's all they've got on the computer. It's an extractor panel inside the building. Yeah, it's an extractor panel inside the building, mate. I'm sure it is.
I can't open the window to have a look. Let's go investigate, Carl.
It's an extractor panel inside the building. Yeah, it's an extractor panel inside the building, mate. I'm sure it is.
We're investigating a very weird noise, we don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is. I think it must be
It's coming from the floor.
It's not. It's coming from the side of the wall, yeah.
Yeah.
Fire water at you. It's definitely down there, isn't it? Not outside, it's inside.
Is it?
The actual,
It's coming from that room where the computer's on, wasn't it?
Right button and the light button. Share the videos and you just...
Why have I put you off?
You just put me off because you're coming in
Why?
recording me.
So I'm just coming
For a
in.
reason.
I'm coming in to, being your outro for once.
I can't remember where I messed up then. To start again. What I was up to when you walked in.
You were saying check out your social medias.
No, I weren't.
You was.
I wasn't. Go and check out my social medias. But right, that's the end of the video anyway, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it.
The camera moved off the way I had it anyway.
So yeah guys, that's the end of it. It was short, it was sweet, it was quite fun because we got power. Definitely check out all my social medias. Check out Dark Arts Paranormal on YouTube. The link will be in the description below. Check out Exploring with Bucky. Everyone loves Bucky. Why is no one... that's what I don't understand, right? Bucky's got 1,400 subscribers. A lot of people love Bucky. Why isn't everyone not going across and subscribing to Bucky? This is my channel you're watching right now. Bucky has his own channel. It's just full of Bucky. It's literally just full of Bucky. So yeah, go and subscribe to Bucky. Get him up there. We want him at 5,000 subscribers before the road trip, which is happening in 22 days. We're going on a big road trip down to Kent with Steve Ronan. Big announcement as well. We're going to Norway. We are going on a European road trip starting on the beginning of November. We are going down to Dover, heading across to France, heading to Belgium, Germany, up into Scandinavia to Norway to see the Northern Lights and sleep under the Northern Lights. It's going to be fun, guys. So yeah, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, click that bell button. You need to click the bell. You'll see my upload straight away, and I'll catch you next time.
I wasn't even in my shop properly.
Was you not?
No.
And now we're going to sit here and watch Bucky do his outro.
Scoring fighters, scoring Bucky, links in the description.
Hold on.
Subscribe.
Oh, wait a sec.
It's on all what's
Nothing there. Just check I'm on that camera there, Dan. It was blurry, it weren't focusing.
It looks like you're doing some kind of job interview.
No, but I try to get things like these in.
You're not getting any of that in.
I've not got any of it in.
No.
I got it in there, but it kept. If you got, it had all of it in like that.
Right, let's try and make Bucky not look like he's in the middle of an interview. You look like you're being interrogated. You look like you're one of them thieves and the guy's wearing a GoPro that's caught you.
I need to do an intro or something. I just thought I'd do one Saturday night instead of walking around. I'd just do a stand-up one like you usually do.
Yeah, I would.
Be a bit easier.
Rather than looking like you've just been caught stealing. Look at the state of all that. Well, Toys R Us, it's gone.
Toys R Us, yeah.
Toys R Us, can you believe it? I have so many cool childhood memories of Toys R Us.
Toys R Us.
You don't understand, every time I heard that advert when I was a kid coming on TV, I knew it was close to Christmas. Yeah.
Toys R Us, yeah. Toys R Us is blog on.
I can't remember what it started like. I just remember there was all the toys under one roof.
Yeah, oh that's what it was, wasn't it?
Toys R Us, Toys R Us.
Yeah, you had the giraffe as well.
Yeah.
Toys R Us.
Guys, a minute of silence for Toys R Us.
Yeah.
A minute of silence, because that place, yeah, I think they got Toys R Us. And I don't think they got Toys R Us in America. I think it's Target instead.
That's what it's called, yeah.
I think Target is Toys R Us. So just imagine, guys, if Target disappeared in America. Yeah, that's how we feel. Toys R Us is gone.
Toys R Us was the place.
But Smith's has replaced it, which is a toy superstore. So, suppose, we've got to see the light in the darkness and all that kind of stuff.
Every time Dan thinks he's funny, he creeps around corners because I go off and do my intro, my outro on my own. So Dan thinks it's funny by creeping around the corners with a big grin on his face.
You're taking it in. You know what? We've been studying here. We've been studying here, twiddling our thumbs, looking at a yellow Hoover waiting for you.
I've heard you talking away in there.
Yeah, we was talking about Toys R Us.
This is the end of my video anyway.
We've run out of things to talk about.
If you've enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, please.
Bucky just taking ages doing his outro.
So what it is,
Nice to
Dan waited
separate himself.
He's my outro and I didn't press record, that's why, so I'm doing it again.
You did press record.
I didn't.
You
You
did.
pressed record and then I pressed the record button.
I didn't touch record.
But it didn't record. So hopefully you've enjoyed the
So
video.
you took double the time.
Hit that subscribe button and watch the videos. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do exploring. So till the next one. Bye. What do you mean chose always?
Stop swearing, Bucky.
Fuck, don't give a
You're an arsehole, Bucky.
fuck. Why?
Everyone tell him he's a potty mouth. We don't like swearing on this channel. We
And
don't.
you know something, he ain't gonna put this on anyway because he won't get paid for it if he puts me going fuck on it.
I'm gonna beat you. I was beating you just to spite you.
It's gonna take you ages
I
to
don't
beat that
care.
out.
Just to spite you.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
No, it's okay, Bucky. It's still going on. You're looking like a potty mouth.
Well, yeah, but they know I'm doing it just to wind you up.
No, but you're still a potty mouth. You're still
It
saying
doesn't make
it.
any difference.
It does.
Doesn't.
It does.
Doesn't.
Can we go now?
I'm waiting for you now.
And on that bombshell.